Would you like to have a cool control fun? First, add the water and see the amazing spray effects. Isn't it so cool and fun? This cool stunt car has two control modes. One is gesture sensing, use our hand and control it moving and transforming. Another one is the remote control, by pushing the stick or pressing the button. With dazzling light and music, our new stunt car will be your new favorite. With highly flexible body and powerful motor, it can easily surpass the obstacles it encounters. Also, with one key twist transform, it can sprint forward freely even on different terrain. If the car is in low power, remember to charge it. Twist, transform, and control all the fun in one time.